we have learned what is set. We have learned the Cartesian product of set. Now we know what is relation. Now we are going to talk about functions. Important concept है functions. तो पहले तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा उसको पीछे जाके उसको रिवाइंड करके देखते हैं. What is set? Set is denoted by capital alphabet separated by comma. This is my set A. Okay. Suppose this is my set B. Then can I find the product of set A and B? Yes. Product of set A and B is an ordered pair of set A के elements पहले आएंगे, फिर set B के elements आएंगे. ये हो गया प्रोडक्ट. इसका कोई भी सबसेट जो होगा वो रिलेशन होगा. Any subset of this given A cross B will be the relation set. Okay, so what is the relation set? Suppose this is a relation set because it is a subset of this. Suppose I write this is a relation set. This is a relation set because all these are subset of this. They are relation set. Now we will come back to the function. Now what is function? Function is that relation which satisfies two conditions. Function is that relation which satisfies two conditions. The first condition is if the relation is from A to B, then this relation will become function if first condition is all elements of A has an element in B. मतलब A के सारे एलिमेंट को B में एक एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. एक्चुअली जब हम लोग रिलेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं, रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B, तो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A आर कॉल्ड एज प्री इमेज and element of B is called as image. ये क्योंकि उन्होंने इमेज बोला है तो मैं बोलूंगी सपोज ये है आपका मिरर. तो मिरर के बाहर जो भी खड़ा है उस सबका एक इमेज तो आएगा ना मिरर में. ऐसा कोई भी एलिमेंट होगा क्या जो बाहर खड़ा है उसका मिरर में इमेज नहीं आता है? हॉरर मूवीज में तो दिखाते भूतों का भी इमेज नहीं आता, लेकिन वो सब इल्यूजन है. that is unbelievable things. We don't know whether bhoot are there or not. So we are not going to talk about this hypothetical. Okay, तो जनरल लाइफ में, जनरल कंडीशन में मिरर के बाहर जो भी रखा होगा उसका एक इमेज तो आएगा मिरर में. ऐसी कोई चीज है दुनिया में जिसका इमेज नहीं आएगा मिरर में? नहीं. I'm again saying I'm talking about I'm not talking about hypothetical things. भूतों का इमेज नहीं आता वगैरह ये सब नहीं बात कर रहे हम लोग, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट श्योर. ये कोई साइंस नहीं है कि भूतों का प्रतिबिंब नहीं दिखता है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. एवरी इमेज केप्ट आउट ऑफ every item kept out of the mirror will have an image. वही कंडीशन है. all the elements of A has an element in B. Second, such element in B should be unique. मतलब A के सारे एलिमेंट्स को B में एक एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात, एक ही एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. A के एक एलिमेंट को B में एक ही एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. अब देखो, यहाँ पे अगर मैं खड़ी हूं तो मिरर में मेरा इमेज आएगा तो एक ही दिखूंगी मैं उधर, इधर मैं 2-3 नहीं दिखूंगी। ओके, अब यहाँ पे 2-4 लोग खड़े होंगे तो इमेज तो एक ही आएगी, हमारी मिरर में रिफ्लेक्शन तो एक ही होगा। तो यहाँ के सारे एलिमेंट्स को यहाँ पे एक एलिमेंट चाहिए और वो यूनिक चाहिए। After a relation satisfy these two conditions, the relation will become a function. A क्रॉस बी का हर सबसेट रिलेशन होता है, लेकिन हर रिलेशन फंक्शन नहीं होता। फंक्शन बस वही रिलेशन होता है जो गिवन कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करे। It makes us think that all functions are relations, but all relations may not be functions. सारे फंक्शन जो है वो रिलेशन है, लेकिन सारे रिलेशंस फंक्शंस नहीं है। सिर्फ वही रिलेशन फंक्शंस है जो कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। Let us take an example of two functions and let us find out function. अगर रिलेशन है A to B 1P 2P 3P, तो क्या ये फंक्शन है? नहीं, क्योंकि फंक्शन का फर्स्ट कंडीशन है कि if the relation is from A to B, then every element of A should have an element in B, जो यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है। सिर्फ 1 को एलिमेंट है B में। तो अगर मैं इसको डायग्राम में निकालूं 1 2 3 PQ, this is like this. Sorry. I wanted to write it like this. तो ये फंक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि 1 is related to P, 1 is related to Q, and 2 is related to P. What about this? 3 is not having any element in B. So this is not a function here. A function requires all element of A to have an element in B. Next is, यहाँ पे 1 जो है वो P और Q दोनों से रिलेटेड है, ये भी नहीं चलेगा। 1 एक ही नंबर से रिलेटेड होना, एक ही एलिमेंट से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए इधर। Let us take one more example. One is related to P, 2 is related to Q, but 3 is not related to anyone. तो ये भी फंक्शन नहीं है। Now let us take one more relation. One is related to P, 2 is related to Q, 3 is related to Q. Is this a function? Yes, because both the conditions are satisfied. Every element of A is having an element of in B, and such element is unique. 1 को एक ही एलिमेंट है B में, 2 को एक ही एलिमेंट है, 3 को एक ही एलिमेंट है। Q is having 2 elements in A, but that is allowed. Q को 2 एलिमेंट्स है A में, that is allowed. This is not allowed. See, many to 1 is allowed. One to many is not a function. Now one more example. This is the relation. Is it a function? Yes, it is a function. Because even though all the elements are related to only one element in B, but still they have an unique element. One को एक ही element है B में, two को एक ही element है, three को एक ही element है. Many to one is allowed. One to many is not allowed. Are we getting this? This is how we will identify whether the given relation is a function or not. Given relation function होगा जब A के सारे elements को B में एक element है, and the next one is it is an unique element. Suppose अगर इस तरह का सिर्फ मुझे एक diagram दिया है, and I have to identify whether the given relation is function. Now suppose this is set A and this is set B. Every element of set B is having an set A is having an element in set B. A is having an element in set B. A is having an element in set B. A is having an element in set B, and every element in set B is unique. 2 सिर्फ -3 से रिलेटेड है, 1 सिर्फ 1 से रिलेटेड है, 0 सिर्फ 2 से रिलेटेड है, -1 is only related to 1 and -2 is already related to 5. This one is related to 2 numbers, but that is not a problem because B का कोई uniqueness का problem नहीं है. Condition सिर्फ 2 है. Every A should have B, and second is every A should have unique B. मतलब एक ही B होना चाहिए. तो हर A को B है और हर A को एक ही B है. That is enough. That makes it a set. That makes it a function. Let us go ahead. See this. Is this a function? See, every A is having B. Is it a function?
No, ma'am.
No, because P is having A, Q is having C, but R is related to 2 elements in B. So the relation of R is not unique and therefore it is not a function. Let's see this one.
No, ma'am.
No, why? Because -2 is not having any element here. It is not a function. Now let us come back to question number 2. Which sets of ordered pair represent function from A to B? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Justify. See the first one. 1, 3, 2, 4, 2. A function है. देखो A में है 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is related to 0, 3 is to 3, 2 is to -1, 4 is to 1. So all elements are related to another element in B. But 2 is again related to one more. So 2 is also related to -1. 2 is also related to 2. So this is not a function. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are related. Now every element of A is having a relation. Next is 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to -1, 3 is related to 1, and 4 is related to 3. So this is a function because they are having a unique element, a unique relation. Now see here 1, 4, 2. क्या ये फंक्शन है? नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 का कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है. ये तो सेकंड सेट का 3 है, ये तो यहाँ का 3 है. इसमें जो 3 है उसका रिलेशन नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो ये रिलेशन नहीं है. सॉरी ये रिलेशन है, ये फंक्शन नहीं है. Next is 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 1, 3 is related to 1, 4 is related to 1. Every element of A is related to an element in B. And it is unique, so this is function. So B and D are functions, A and C are not functions. So are we getting the condition of functions? The condition of function is every A should have B and it should be unique. So the condition of function is the relation which satisfies the condition that every A has B and unique B, then it becomes function. Whenever a relation satisfies this condition, then it becomes function. So all the relation which satisfy the condition becomes function, otherwise they are not functions. As simple as that.